So this is the weekly, and you see that it looks very similar to Litecoin's chart, the XLM chart. We've basically just been moving in a sideways correction for 6-7 years. Yeah? Just a consolidation. And we recently hit that upper trend line. Now we're coming down. And we seem to be coming down in 3 waves. So we might be working on the C wave of the triangle there. Clearly, it couldn't break out. And I think the yellow count, which is the directly bullish pathway, now with a break below support at 26 cents, is becoming less likely. And an extension of that sideways triangle, whether we call it a wave 4 or a B wave even, that's becoming more likely. Especially with that, if it's a sustained break below support, which it seems to be, and if we then break below 22 cents, which is next structural support, and 20 cents even more so. So the target, based on this pullback and an E wave of a triangle, is a 3-wave move. The target then is the 100% extension. We've now reached the 61.8. So that's at 25.3 cents. That's a Fibonacci support as well. But if it's actually a C wave down, it should take us to 16 cents. We're now at 25. So that would be the first ideal target. 16.3, 12.4. And I think this is becoming much more likely. If we see any further downside over the coming days, I'll probably make this, let's say, the leading count. I think it's leading already, to be fair. And obviously, we've got that lower trend line as well, which might act as some support and which is kind of cutting through this support zone. And that should give you the relevant targets to the downside. I think we're probably going to... I mean, momentum is to the downside right now. And with my stance that Bitcoin goes down a little bit lower in the short term, this kind of seems to add up for now. Yeah. So there was no impulse from the March low or April low. It was all corrective, just a 3-wave move up. While this can always turn into some kind of a diagonal pattern, it's all built on a shaky and corrective foundation.